I suppose you could call it the die quickly controversy. It's still alive and well on Capitol Hill, though, right now. You may have seen Congressman Alan Grayson here in the Situation Room yesterday. If not, listen to the bombshell remark that brought him here.
Die quickly. That's right. The Republicans want you to die quickly if you get sick.
All right, let's bring in our congressional correspondent, Brianna Keeler. She's joining us now. Any change in the congressman's tone, shall we say, today, Brianna?
No, he's unapologetic, of course, Wolf. He followed up that initial remark with an unapologetic floor speech, and then there was that unapologetic appearance yesterday in the Situation Room.
These are foot-dragging, knuckle-dragging Neanderthals who think they can dictate policy to America by being stubborn.
Despite Alan Grayson's defiance, Republicans dropped plans to condemn his remarks with a resolution like the one Democrats used to chastise Republican Congressman Joe Wilson for yelling at the president. Republicans think if Democrats are given the chance to swiftly vote down the resolution, the controversy goes away, a Republican leadership aide tells CNN. Instead, they want to draw it out, shifting criticism to House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, hoping it will sour more Americans on the Democrats' plan to overhaul health care.
I think it's time for Democrat leaders and the Speaker of the House herself to rein in some of the rhetoric that she decried just several weeks ago.
But Speaker Pelosi says there's no reason for Grayson to apologize, saying his rhetoric is no different from Republican attacks on Democrats. And she backed up Grayson's charge that Republicans have no health care proposal of their own.
If anybody's going to apologize, everybody should apologize. But let's just, the point has been made. It's time for us to talk about health care. Typically, the Republicans would like to use this as a distraction from the fact that they have no plan.
Not true, say Republicans like Tom Price, who points out Republicans have proposed 37 pieces of legislation related to health care, including a bill he sponsored.
It's a bill that solves the challenges that we face, keeps what's good in our current system, fixes what's wrong, recognizes that the status quo is unacceptable, but doesn't have the government taking over health care for all Americans.
The vast majority of those Republican plans are not comprehensive. One, for instance, deals only with how home oxygen suppliers are paid. But there are two comprehensive plans that also tackle the issue of how to pay for overhauling health care. But that said, Wolf, Democrats are sticking by their line that Republicans don't have a plan because Republican leaders have not gotten behind one plan and said it's their alternative.
Brianna Keeler on Capitol Hill, thank you. Another little-known member of the Obama administration is now under fire from